This is the New Wave double burner induction top, and it is great because I can cook two different things at the same time with the limited resources on the boat. There's an on and off switch on the back, and I can set the actual temperature right here. And if I don't want the medium temperature, like that's the medium temperature, and if I just want it a little lower or higher, I can change it. And each burner can go as hot as 575 degrees or as low as 50 degrees. I can also program the cook time, the cook temperature, and it also has a clock and a timer, and I can pause it if I need to stop it for a minute. And I can do something else completely on the other burner. It's easy to clean. It does get hot to the touch, just right there in the circle, in the burner circle. It does automatically shut off when the cooking time is done, and it won't heat up unless it detects that there's a pot or pan on it. And since open flames are a hazard inside the boat, this is a great option for cooking with electricity instead of gas. And if you're wanting to switch out your gas stovetop to electric on your boat, or you don't have one at all, if you have a small little galley on your boat, this would be a great option so you can start cooking on your boat. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.